You are going to love the 2020 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Your new ride is just a phone call away.